Today we are unboxing Inked Goddess Creations box for August. This one took me a minute to put this video out because I was busy editing my video for my cruise. And if you haven't seen that yet, it's a very fun and exciting adventure. It's a 25-minute long video. It was hard to get the video short enough, but still express all the amazing things that we did. But I think everything made it into the video okay, and I hope it's enjoyable for all. We went to several places in Alaska and even to Canada on our way back. So I hope you get a chance to watch that video. It took several months to finish the video, so now I'm going to be able to focus on my boxes. For example, today we have our August box. So enough about my videos, it's time to dig in. And our theme for this box, so it looks like it's a banishing and letting go box. So that's going to be interesting. We got some more of that deep blue. Our last box had so much blue in it. I think I'm going to open this first. This box isn't like full of blue, but I just thought it was cool to see that vibrant blue again. Looks like we have some oils. This one says, "Let that shit go." Cleansing and healing oil. It's made with apricot kernel oil, jojoba oil, lavender essential oil, lemongrass essential oil, and peppermint essential oil. It's such a tiny amount. I love that bottle. It's a nice color. It looks like it's pink at the top and orange at the bottom. Hopefully the lighting's good and you can see that. And then next we have Let That Shit Go. Cleansing and healing mist. Distilled water, lavender essential oil, lemongrass essential oil, and peppermint essential oil. I want to know if it's a spritzer. Yep, it is. Nice. It smells very minty. You can smell that peppermint. I love how it's in like a really dark bottle. It'll keep it, make it last longer, and all that black is really good to help with banishing. I'm going to put that right over here next to the other one, if it won't roll off the table. There we go. Next, it looks like we have an oracle deck. First oracle deck from a box. I've gotten several tarot decks. Do it, oracle deck. I think I'm going to go through this toward the end of the video, and I'll go ahead and show each card. Let's go ahead and do this bag next. I'm guessing it's a crystal. Oh, it kind of feels like a worry stone. Yep. Oh, what is that? Is that a moonstone? Yeah, I don't think it's labradorite. I think it's moonstone. It's got some deep rainbow in it. I think that's a moonstone. That's my guess. And it is a worry stone. Next, let's look at what's in this big ol' box. It's got several things in there. Wonder if it's spell components. Nice size bag. Look at this first. What do you think's in there? Candle? Interesting. I hope it didn't melt. Nice. It's definitely a candle. Giving the middle finger to whatever we are banishing and getting rid of. Look at that. It's so detailed. Like, this candle was really nicely molded. I'm going to set it right there for a second and see what else is in here. I'm going to grab this first. Oh, nice. Looks like a dish to put the candle on top of, so as it melts, it'll not get all over the table. It's got a nice pentagram on there. There we go. And then last in the bag, we have a F*** It blend. Oh, wait, there's two things. Protection, motivation, and releasing. Plantain, basil, garlic, burdock root, dandelion, and red pepper flakes. Nice. That is a powerful blend. It's got some garlic, burdock, and red pepper flakes. Smells good. Very basil-y. That's gonna go right there. Oh no! I dropped it. I dropped. I'm assuming it's a spell. Yep, banishing and letting go. Best performed during the waning moon. Says, cleanse your altar space as you normally would. Cast a circle if you do. Place the altar tile down on your workspace. Place the middle finger candle onto the metal altar tile. You may choose to carve the name of the person or situation you are banishing or letting go of onto the candle first. You may also choose to rub some of the letting that shit go oil onto the candle after etching it. These steps are optional though. Sprinkle the f***it herbs around the base of the candle. It's not advisable to sprinkle them directly onto the candle, as this could create a fire hazard. As you light the candle, visualize the person or situation leaving your life. Visualize a protective shield around you so they can't come back. Say your own words or the following. I banish thee away from me. Let this toxic energy cease. I am protected from it from here forward, and with a cleansing it, I release. So mote it be. Keep an eye on the burning candle, especially as it gets closer to the herbs. When the candle is done burning, you can throw any wax and herb remains into the trash bin outside of your house, visualizing you taking out the trash of this person or situation to never affect you again. That is a powerful spell. This is one heck of a banishment. This box has some awesome stuff in it, and I can't wait to go through this Oracle deck. I think last in the box is our Eclectic Witch deck. Maybe it's about, one's got to be about this crystal. Otherwise it could be about the oils, maybe? Just it magic in general. I love how that's a style of magic. It magic is for those times when you need to release a person, place, or event that has dominated too much time in your life. You have done all you can, and now it is time to let it go and move on. The power is in your hands, so say f*** it and add a bit of spicy magic to it. Candle magic is excellent for these situations. Etch the name of the person or situation and f*** it onto the candle and watch it melt away. Another form of this magic is to bury the issue by writing it down on paper, placing it in a craft coffin with f*** it herbs and bury it in your yard. Another way is to write down the situation on paper and throw it into a fire. The last way it gives on here is flush away a bad situation with the toilet spell. Write down situation on a piece of toilet paper, crumple it, and flush it. That's really neat. There we go. We got so many different methods there. And now we have the Worry Stone. So for the Worry Stone, worry or thumb stones are polished stones used for centuries worldwide to help ease worries, anxiety, and stress. In ancient times, people would find stones that were smooth and worn by Mother Nature. The benefits of using worry stones are simple and profound. They activate pressure points in the thumb and finger that encourage the production of endorphins in the brain, calming the body and mind. Rubbing the stone between your thumb and forefinger allows your mind to focus and draw your awareness to the present, calming the mind. Worry stones can also be used for grounding practices, reminding you to root down during stressful moments. They are fantastic tools to use during meditation, helping you refocus when distracted during the practice. Worry stones are really, really good during meditation, especially if you have a nice, soothing one. I recommend amethyst for meditation, or even lapis lazuli. And now we have off herbs. I assume that's our off blend. Herbs are a powerful tool to use in witchcraft and can assist us in many ways. There are times when we need them for releasing, protection, and general off vibes. Use these herbs for spells, rituals, and cleansing to help keep the toxic energy away. Always research herbs first. And then it lists a whole bunch of off herbs. I'm not going to go ahead and read them all. I will just hold this up closer, so if you wanted to read them, you can. And I will put that right there, I think. We got our card, our sneak peek for next time. It looks like Witchy Bits and Bobs. That's fun. Looks like nothing was forgotten, so now I'm going to go through this oracle deck. So I'm going to move everything aside and then we'll go through each card one by one. Just f***ing do it, oracle deck. I wonder if the pictures are going to be in the same style, like a black and white on like a canvasy looking background. Yeah, the whole deck is like that. Nice. I love it when decks have great themes. Here's the back. So it's the same as the cover on the box. And the front. Do the laundry. Do your laundry and stop ignoring the pile of dirty clothes. Small issues turn into big issues by allowing them to pile up. Tackle a small issue now before it turns into a big problem. Make the appointment. It is time to make the appointment and deal with it. Stop pushing it off because you are afraid. What unnecessary fears and narratives that don't exist are you creating for yourself? So I could go through and read every single card, but those are just some examples of what's in the deck, which sounds really cool. I have not flipped through this ahead of time. I'm doing this first time with all of you. So if you want, I'm going to hold up each card and you can pause the video and look at each one and read it if you'd like. Otherwise, I'm just going to do a quick flip through and here we go. I'll hold them up closer to the camera too. Wow, I can resonate with so many of those cards. And I love how like mundane they are. It's just like everything in your day-to-day house, day-to-day chores, hobbies, things like that. Getting around to doing the things that you need to do to stay organized, focused, clean. I love how simple it is, and yet it's so impactful, and it has so much meaning behind it that you can put into your practice, that you can put into your day-to-day life to just live happier around the house, to feel more accomplished, actually getting around and doing the things you've been putting off. This Oracle deck is so cool and so complex with how simple it is. I love that. And not to mention just the art in general. It's very, it's like rusticy, and I love it. You got some antiques in here. And yet it looks so pencil drawn. Just the simple sketch style looks amazing. Whoever this artist was, the creator of this deck, did fantastic. It's got Ink Goddess Creations on there, but I don't know who the artist was, but they did such a good job. Alright, I'm going to scoop this all up and then we're going to set up and go through every item that was in our box. Okay, let's see what we got. So this month's Inked Goddess Creations box contains Pocket Spell Kit. The components for a banishing and releasing spell. The organza box contains our middle finger candle. This candle is the focal piece for your spell. Black in color for banishing and a soft cleansing scent to help you release your last. That does smell really good. I didn't even think about what was smelling so good. I thought it was one of the oils, but no, it's this candle. That's very soothing. I wish I could explain what that is. It's like a weird soapy cologne smell, and yet it's got some very earthy hints. It smells really good. And next we have the Pentacle Metal Altar Tile. This is a really cool tile, and it's great for this candle because it's like the perfect size for that little pentagram. So this altar tile, place your middle finger on the metal altar tile to protect the top of your altar while you burn your f***s away. And then Pocket Herb Blend. A blend of garlic, red pepper flakes, dandelion, and more to sprinkle around your candle as it burns. And then lastly for this kit